morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Students, we have learned in English A to Z capital letters. Okay. Now today we will do what comes after. Okay. What comes after? WHAT what? COMES comes. AFTER what comes after मीन्स कि बाद में क्या आता है. तो दिस इज A. This is capital A. What comes after capital A? A के बाद क्या आता है? B. क्या आता है? B. Okay. B will be comes after A. A के बाद क्या आता है? B. Now this is B, capital B. Which letter will be comes after B? B के बाद क्या आता है? C. So we will write here C. Now C. Which letter will be comes after C? C के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? D. So we will write here D. Okay. This is D. Which letter will be comes after D? E. D के बाद क्या आता है? E. Now this is capital E. Which letter will be comes after E? F. Okay. Now this is F. This is F. Which letter will be comes after F? G. Okay. F के बाद क्या आता है? G. So B will be comes after A. C will be comes after B. D will be comes after C. E will be comes after D. F will be comes after E. G will be comes after F. Okay. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G. A के बाद B आता है तो हम यहाँ B लिखेंगे. B के बाद C आता है तो हम यहाँ C लिखेंगे. C के बाद D आता है तो हम यहाँ D लिखेंगे. D के बाद E आता है तो हम यहाँ E लिखेंगे. E के बाद F आता है तो हम यहाँ F लिखेंगे. F के बाद G आता है तो हम यहाँ G लिखेंगे. ओके. So children, please do this work in your notebook, English notebook. What comes after, कि इनके बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है, उससे क्या है आपका रिवीजन भी हो जाएगा और आपको ठीक से समझ भी आएगा. Now today we will learn a poem. Today we will learn a poem. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music. Clap your hands. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Okay, so children, please do this work in your English notebook and learn this poem. Thank you.